In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can share a Google Docs document to the web. Basically, this is a feature in Google Docs that allows you to share your document to the public without needing any special permissions or signing to Google account. Essentially, everyone can see the document, and this is actually even better than sharing PDF because you have the control to edit the document, and the edit or the changes will be reflected on the document almost real time. So if you want to share a document like this, then let me show you how. First, open the document that you want to share. Let's say I'm going to pick this document. And after that, you have to visit the file menu. And then click share. And select publish to web. Okay, I highly recommend to expand this menu and make sure that you check this box. This will ensure that your content will be automatically updated when you made some changes. So when everything is ready, you can just click publish button and then click OK. Now the document has been published. You can copy this URL and share it to anyone so they can see the document. So let's just click the area here and then press Ctrl+C on the keyboard and then open a new tab. And let's paste the URL. So this is how the document is going to look like on the web. Basically, everyone can see this document, and again, you can edit the document later and the changes will be reflected on this page in real time. So that's how you can share a Google Docs document to the web. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.